Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Leadpages affiliate program for landing page conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate the Leadpages affiliate program, first, visit the Leadpages website. Look for the affiliate program link, typically found in the footer of the home page. Click on the link to access the affiliate program information. Take a moment to review the benefits and commission structure. Next, locate the Join the Affiliate Program or Sign Up button. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill out all required fields, including your name, email address, and website information. Provide accurate information to ensure smooth communication. After completing the form, submit your application for review. Wait for a confirmation email from Leadpages regarding your application status. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard on the Leadpages website. Familiarize yourself with the available resources and tools. Navigate to the Affiliate Links section to access your unique referral link. Copy this link, as it will be used in your promotions. Next, explore the creative assets provided by Leadpages, including banners and promotional materials. Customize your marketing strategy to effectively promote your affiliate link. Now, start sharing your unique link on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Monitor your conversions and earnings through the affiliate dashboard. Regularly check for updates and new promotional materials from Leadpages. Engage with their community for tips and strategies on maximizing conversions. By following these steps, you can successfully activate the Leadpages affiliate program and leverage it for landing page conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.